If there was one job, one profession that could set you financially free, I believe affiliate marketing would have to be it. It doesn't discriminate against age, race or gender. It doesn't care who your parents were, your previous experience or whether you went to college or not. It doesn't require you to be a people person or to dress to impress. It doesn't care about anything that would concern normal employers. So if all that's true, why aren't more people succeeding online? There are many reasons obviously, but there is one ugly truth that holds more people back than anything else I know of. They just don't know how. It's not that people don't have access to how-to information. It's that for whatever the reason, it usually doesn't work as stated. Almost every affiliate marketer I know has had the experience of buying an affiliate marketing information product. Perhaps spending thousands on it, and then discovering it doesn't work. Clickbank knows its success rests on the shoulders of its affiliate marketers. That's why they decided to create an affiliate training program that people can rely on. They call it Clickbank University 2.0. It's unlike anything else that's out there for one reason. It works. The program, from the company whose name is synonymous with affiliate marketing, is based upon proven strategies, principles and tactics used by thousands of Clickbank marketers and affiliates. It's important to appreciate how much this program means to Clickbank. It's win-win. The better you're trained, the more commissions you make and the bigger checks they send you. It's as simple as that. They want their affiliate marketers knowing the most effective online methods so your time and efforts are handsomely rewarded. I believe with the right training, income-wise the sky's the limit. I encourage you, especially if success has been elusive, to check out Clickbank University V2.0 before this offer is gone. Affiliate marketing doesn't have to be difficult. It doesn't have to be hit and miss. Let their faculty, Clickbank affiliate marketers who have consistently made 7 and 8 figures themselves, show you the way. Click the link in the description box below this video for full information and get started today. Thank you for watching.